not
I'll
go
find
that
another.
route.
I'll find another avenue to deal with that matter, not at the vetting. There are very many.
All public people have at one time or another been others' punching bags, and we live with it. So it should not. It's part of the occupational hazard. Honorable Duale will end with you by asking you. Yes. By asking
Speaker,
you,
I take. That's out of order, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable
And even
Ichung'wah,
mentioning my party leader by the nominee is also unfair, because that was never the issue. I just read a message from a person, and I said I'm willing to show the message to the candidate.
Honorable
That was my
Kalonzo
party
is not
leader
an issue
getting
here.
involved. Yes.
So
Mr. Speaker,
expunge that from.
I withdrew. I have a lot of respect for Honorable Kalonzo.
Thank you.
I have a lot of respect for Honorable Mbui. He was my schoolmate. I have nothing personal. I am sorry I withdrawn.
Thank you. Honorable Duale, now answer the following short questions. Have you been adversely mentioned in any integrity-related reports or investigations?
Never in my life, Mr. Speaker.
Do you hold any leadership position in any political party?
No, but I'm a member of a political party. No leadership. Member, I'm allowed,
Yes.
Mr. Speaker. I read the law.
State your net worth.
My net worth, Mr. Speaker, is, as of today, 980 million.
980 million.
Yes.
Comprising?
I have provided comprises of, I have pieces of lands, both in Garissa and Nairobi, my house in Nairobi, my house in Garissa, my cattle ranch in Garissa, my rental property in Nairobi and Garissa, my shares in family-owned business, my camels and cattle, and motor vehicles. And Mr. Speaker, lastly, I had got good revenue from the book sales of my autobiography, which is one of the best selling book, the #1 best-selling book as of today.
How much were you worth when we last vetted you?
851.
851.
Point of order, Speaker.
Yes.
The nominee recently launched his book, and he says that it has good some returns. I mean, there are thousands of books that have been launched in this country. I want to know how yours performed so well.
You can ask him on the side.
I think you need to read.
If
you read my book, you'll see it's the best.
That is not a fair question. Leave it there.
Mr. Speaker, and it is from a research done by bookshop sellers, textbook center.
I bought 20 copies and
Yes, thank you,
distributed
Mr.
to
Speaker.
my schools.
And I have now done my 4th publication.
Honorable Duale, we had received 71 memorandum on you, some supporting, some opposing, and we are satisfied that you answered all of them when we forwarded them to you. We've also checked your documents against what we have. They are correct. Yes?
Chair, maybe just as the nominee concludes, because this matter of